Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Truecaller app not install problem in any Android.
Click Settings. Most phones do not download software because they do not have a free memory. You can see how much your phone memory is empty. You can see I have enough phone memory. My phone memory has no issues. If your phone memory is low, you can delete some files or delete your unnecessary data. Then open Google Play Store. Click Profile. Click Settings. Click Network Preference. Then click App Download Preference. Select over any network. Click Settings. Click Apps. Click App Management. Click Play Store. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Now you try to download the software from the Play Store.
Then search Truecaller app. Click Truecaller app.
Click Install.
You can see the software is downloading. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.